Am I the only one that thought wine tasting is an activity you can do in Cape Town only? Well, I discovered a gem in Gauteng and I'd like to take you with me. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. If you have, thank you so much. Now, let's do this wine tasting. So, this spot is called Gerakaris Family Wines. It's in Great Hall, Johannesburg. They make their wines in-house and most of them are named after the family children. Beautiful, right? And they taste phenomenal. I don't know much about wine, but what I will do is give you some of the important things that one might want to know, like that you taste 5 wines for 100 rands per person, and you can order a cheese plate or a bowl of olives on the side. This is outside the 100 rands that you pay for just the tasting. So I won't say much about the wines, but I hope you watch this video up till the end and just see how the day was like and how the space feels and how it's like and how the service is. But in general, I thought the service was just fine. You know, nothing much to write home about, nothing spectacular, just okay. All right, let's go.
From the Swartland in the Cape, she brings them down here, she presses and makes the wines right here. Yeah, so this one that you're having is called Elaki. It's a Greek, it's in Greek, it's an Elaki. And then the second one, which is the oak barrel, it took 9 months to process, which is called Eli. Yes. Alright, so that's the difference between the two, which is the Gauteng. So it's just Elaki and Eli. It's the same. Yes, that's just the gym. I remember that.
See, we're still sober. Have you had worse cases?
Huh?
Have you had worse cases?
Yeah.
There you go.
Well, this is the end of the video. One important point: the bathrooms are to your right when entering and to your left when exiting the premises. So I know this is one of the shortest videos that I've ever produced, but as you can see, there wasn't much to go on. But I believe this is a space that one should know about. I really wanted you to know about this place, and it is definitely worth sharing and definitely worth exploring. Don't forget to connect on Instagram. Don't forget to watch all of my other amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching.